Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to change your address on eBay. So I'm currently on ebay.com. I'm signed in. Hover over your name here at the top left and just click on account settings. Okay, so go ahead and click on this and just wait for this page to load up. Now right here we're in the account section, and all you need to do is come here and click on addresses. Okay, and you'll see a bunch of different addresses. So your registration address, yeah, and this is basically your main contact address. You can also put in shipping addresses, return addresses, things like that. So if I come here, click on edit, right? You'll see it. So this is the shipping address section. We just wait for this to load up. And now it'll probably ask me to sign in again. So I'll just click on continue with Google. That's perfectly fine. Just go ahead and click on that. Choose your Google account. Okay, it's basically just authenticating me because I'm trying to make a change to my account, right? So just go ahead and get to this. Now, this is my shipping address. If you want to edit this, it's really easy. Just come here and click on edit. Okay, and here we go. My country, my name, my street address. You can go ahead and change to that, right? So we can go ahead and select right here. Let's go ahead and do that. Maybe it's this one, right? And it will go ahead and automatically update for you, right? So we pick that up, can come here and click on a save, close this one. There you go. Address changed successfully.